Yeah, buddy. Alright, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 1 of the Ultimate Callout Challenge. As you can see, this is what we're working with. It has been raining absolutely all morning. It is currently 11:41. Still raining. They're trying the track. They're working on it. Today's the drag racing event, so this needs to go down on here. So we're trying to see what's going on. So basically, we had a heck of a night last night. We started, well, we basically got in at, here's some couple clips. 8:09, we are finally on the road. We're gonna get a copyright strike because we're ripping some tunes here. Let's pull up our maps. 8:09, we are on the road. We have 5 hours, 22 minutes. So we're arriving at the SPE party house at 1:31 a.m. But, I mean, whatever. We're on the road. Let's go. All right, preview to the UCC announcement thing that we're doing, okay? Starting the trip off right. You put it right there. Got it.
Damn restaurant.
The what?
Country Pride Restaurant.
Country Pride. There you go. What time is it looking to be? We got the good old Joe Rogan podcast going. 12:12. Look at that. I don't know who put that there. That was just there. Looking good. So yeah, we got to the SPE house around 3:30ish in the morning, and we just plain out passed out in the truck in front of the house. We didn't even go in, so we're running on a few hours sleep. It's all good though. We are here, UCC. We are making it happen. We got here, we backed in the trailer, we unloaded, and we set up the booth. We figured we'd walk over here to check out the situation on the drag strip and see what's going on. But no updates as of right now. They're still out there working it, and it's currently still lightly raining. But anyways, I don't know. Let's go check out and see what's going on. All right, guys, quick update on the SPE race truck. As you've seen from the last video, we are still out. Luckily with the weather, it has been nice because they needed to go get some washers and different things in order to finish up the job here. So now they came back to get the gimbal, give you guys an update on the SPE race truck, and then we'll cover it more as they're getting ready to put it in. What are you doing? That's super cool. Live builds, super great idea. It's awesome. Look at the wheels. Look at the Durabird. Or is that a Tahoe? Oh, that's cool. Dude, the water that big one, this is cool, man. Dude. Hotshot rig, bro. I definitely like the new man. Looks good. Pure madness around here. Okay, so JB wants to get some grub. What are we getting? What do we got here? We got the sausage grill.
I'll be either Philly cheesesteak or ribeye steak sandwich. What you
There you go. I don't know. What are you feeling?
I don't know.
Trying to get the time on there. 1:44. Here's where we're at. Yep. Oh yeah. Looking good. This is currently the situation in the SPE pit. Tensions are high. Put it that way. Nice media badge, bro.
That doesn't suck down at all. You're right on the money here. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Alright guys, so while they're over there dealing with that, this is what it has come to. There you go. Great deal. Talk to Sean and Dan if serious. He's the guy.
6 hours.
Already making the deal happen.
You guys can stay, you know, what you guys did.
Yeah.
You guys got all those bolts tight, Pat?
Yeah.
This is the final crunch.
Try to get the converter slightly set up right now.
Tension's high.
You want to come forward with it?
Eye on the prize.
Start coming forward, kid.
Start coming forward, eh? More? Yeah. All right, move up. All right, it's got to come my way. All right, keep going up.
All right, dude. We're finally getting ready to start here. Guys, we're launching the official Make Powerstrokes Great Again campaign. What do you guys think? Check it out right there. Bam. This was a UCC thing. We kind of just thought of it last second and got some stuff made. I didn't tell you guys about it, but here it is. Let's go. Super funny. There is some truth behind the joke, right? It is the story of the Powerstrokes, right? Everyone thinks they're junk because of the 6.0s and the 6.4s, but in fact the 6.7s are pretty gosh darn good motors, and we're here to make Powerstrokes great again because of the 6.7. So let's go. All right, we were gonna walk down to the dyno, but they're gonna start running the tracks here, so we're just gonna watch the first run down the track. They got it pretty good. Nice and dry, so this is the first actual run down the track today. Here's a good one that you guys are going to want to see. I'm sure you guys know the Truck Master Shredder Industrial Protection.
With an 8 at 123 miles an hour.
Alright guys, we got the Rudy 6-foot Powerstroke in the Rudy truck, very nice. All over the ground. Looking very good. Let's see what he's going to put down. It's a good looking truck. Update back at the SPE pit. Trans is in, they're finishing up some stuff.
Hey, Pat.
Looking like we're getting ready.
Take this.
Yeah.
See that starter bolt on the outside? Like look up behind here. Drive it in for me.
Get out of the way. Getting ready. You going on to the beer?
Going into the old clear.
There you go, clear beer.
Clear beer.
All right, guys, you just had the update back at the SPE pit. That Rudy's truck, man, is quick. I feel like that's going to be one to beat today. There's going to be other fast ones, but that thing ran a 5.5 in the 8. That was pretty fast. Nice launch. What do you think? Fast. Fast. Quick, fast. But that thing has nothing on this 6.7 here, single turbo race truck, man. Look at that working part. But yeah, they're just getting finished up. We're going to get ready to go. There's so much to film here. I don't know what to film. I don't know what to include in this video. This video might be super long. It's super cool. There's so much awesome stuff. So, you know, guys, just bear with me and enjoy. All right, guys, huge moment of truth. First startup at UCC. Everything's in. Oh, yeah. Alright, bro, you ready for this? This is it. This is what we've been waiting for right now. This is what we've been waiting for. What do you got to say?
Real homie, what's up?
Good talk. You're natural.
First look at Dan Snyder. Carmichael, Pennsylvania, the Snyder Performance Engineering truck. 2010 Ford line,
2010 Ford body. Yeah, buddy. All right, what do you have to say about that?
It needs nitrous.
Needs nitrous. But that was a solid hit. Made it down, done.
Made it down.
Nitrous! More nitrous! Look at the SPE crew rolling out. See that? Not good news.
I went to the picture and I was like, I'm going to look at this. We don't get it right there. Let's get it off. Let's start pulling it.
I just said, go get me some beer.
Okay, Dan.
What?
Do you want to give us a run through what went down?
Tranny issue.
Tranny
Like
issue.
a stuck pig.
What's the verdict? What's the game plan?
Well, unfortunately, drag racing's out.
Eliminations for tonight.
Yeah, because we're not going to have the parts or the time, more than likely, to get it in.
Okay.
Tranny still works. Motor's perfectly fine. It's just pushing fluid out of the front pump seal. I don't I figured the cardboard would help that roll so it doesn't stick as bad. You can back it up. Get under the diff cover. There you go. Yeah, it didn't lock for some reason. So being that it didn't lock up, I think it flash boiled the fluid inside the converter, and then it melted the converter seal.
Okay. So potentially a seal.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's just a seal. So see what happens. And then tear it out.
Well, a 6.6 on no nitrous.
No spray, single charger, gates open, no lockup.
That's pretty damn good.
Someone said it's bleeding horsepower.
The converter's not happy.
Phone died.
It still seems it still seems like it was trying to lock when we checked it in the pits while I was pushing fluid out. But
We'll see.
see what happens.
Tear down. There it is.
That was not that color. No, that was not that color.
What do you think?
It pushed the converter seal out.
The bushing's poop.
The bushing looks like poo,
It's poop.
but it's still in.
But then again,
It's still in there though.
it's staked in, but it's poop. I mean, reuse that. Just fucking Loctite it in.
We'll put the seal back in.
Green retaining compound.
We'll just pound it back in there.
Well, literally, like
It blew it out.
I was dead serious about reusing it.
It just got hot. It literally got hot.
They probably have that
pressure behind it. That blew it out. Oh, I guarantee it. Yep. Find some LB7 guys. No one's running LB7. I'll be back.
Pat said we can get him at Menards.
We'll get a 6-pack of converter seal at Menards.
Probably can.
They got everything.
They put fucking Lowe's and Home Depot to shame. Another box of brownies and a couple converter seals.
They sell brownies at Menards?
Yeah.
I've never shopped anywhere else.
They're not that great.
They all taste good after a little bit
I
of.
could even find himself a nice busty one in there later.
Yeah.
Alright guys, update. Alright, what's our update? We found parts?
Yeah, found
Resume
parts.
work in the morning.
Yeah, so found parts. Good customer of ours has hopped in his truck. He's driving about an hour or so away and grabbing a pump for us. Rebuild the trans in the morning, put it back in.
This is raw. This is giving it to you guys raw. There it is.